This procedure will show you how to install your Ceco StormPro frame into a new masonry wall. Please reference ICC 500-2014 for the design and construction of storm shelters for the required wall construction. For this procedure, you will need a level, a tape measure, steel shims, a box cutter, a square, a setting spreader bar, a trowel and supports. Remove the shipping spreader bars before placing the frame in the opening. Set the frame into the opening and brace it in place. If you are going to secure the optional floor anchor, mark the frame for replacement. Mark each of the holes on the floor anchor. Repeat on the other side of the frame. Using a Tapcon drill bit with a hammer drill, drill through the concrete where the holes were marked. Replace the frame aligning it with the marks. Brace the frame in place. Check the plans to make sure the swing of the door is correct. Install a setting spreader bar at the bottom and middle of the frame. Verify that the head and side jambs are level and plumb. If the frame is unlevel on one side, place steel shims underneath that jamb. Remove the excess steel. Secure the floor anchors to the floor with 5 floor anchor screws. Insert steel shims as necessary, then cut and remove excess steel. Secure the other floor anchor with 5 floor anchor screws. Install the anchors and grout the frame in the area of the anchors as block courses are laid up. Frames may come with wire anchors or T-anchors. Verify that the head and side jambs are level and plumb. Please note the required spacing for the anchor of your choice. Plan to place them in the frame accordingly. Following the anchor spacing requirements from the previous step, place an anchor and build up the wall at regular intervals. Fill the StormPro frame with concrete up to the last anchor. Repeat the previous step while following the anchor spacing requirements. Fill the StormPro frame with concrete as the wall is built up. Once the wall is built, remove the supports and spreader bars. Continue to place cinder blocks. Attach the frame to the wall using 2 expansion anchors. Your frame installation is complete and is ready for the next phase of construction.